everyone, I'm Lily and this is Julie, and today we're going to be teaching you how to braid hair. And all you're going to need is someone whose hair you can practice on, a brush or a comb, doesn't matter which one, and a hair tie. So what you're going to want to do first is, you can see her hair is messy, it's all over, so you're going to want to brush it out to make sure that it's nice and neat and there's no tangles. Just going to do this all the way down her hair. So what you're going to do next is, I'm going to put her in a position where I can see her and you can. Take her hair into 3 sections. And they don't need to be perfect, they just need to be about equal sized. So the one I'm holding right now is going to be section 1. The one in this hand is going to be section 2. And this is going to be section 3. So you're going to want to take section 1 and make sure just smooth it out a little with your hand like this, and then take it over section 2 while still holding on to section 2 with your left hand. So you want section 1 in your right hand, section 2 in your left hand. And so you're going to take section 1 over, pull it nice and tight to make sure it sticks, and then you're going to need to grab section 3. So you're going to want to put your section 2 between your thumb and your index finger, and you're going to want to put section 1 between your index finger and your middle finger like this. And then you're going to take section 3 and cross it over the top. And then you'll take whatever one is on the bottom is the one that goes over the top next. So you take that, you pull it nice and tight, and then you take the one on the bottom, you cross it over the one on the top, you pull that nice and tight, and just keep going down and cross over, bottom, over the top, and then this is what your braid is going to look like. And this is when you get your hair tie, and you just put the bottom of the braid through the hair tie, twist around until it fits on there nice and snug. And there you go.